Near dusk the orchard changes its rhythm. Workers move slowly between rows, pruning heavy branches and preparing cuts for grafting. Each careful snip is a small promise, a plan for growth that will show itself seasons from now. In the final moments of the day we get close to the grafts. Wrapped, tied, protected. These bindings are simple, humble signs of hope. Farming is patience turned into practice, quiet work that keeps returning, year after year. This is Green Gold Farm, where every graft is a step toward tomorrow.